Hi, my name is Josh with Buckeye Goldens, and I have a little puppy named Jasper. He tested a 3 on the Volhard scale. He is a little boy dog, and Jasper testing 3 on the Volhard scale means he's going to be well-rounded. He's also a darker colored of the litter, average size. He has a very sweet temperament. One thing that stood out especially is he really loves chasing the ball and retrieving and taking the ball and running away with it, and he did really well with stability and sound. He's just a great all-around little guy. He'll be able to be active, but also will be able to cuddle up and relax. This is Jasper.